Kuliah boni pibaro dah kan ka video umtangan pen EAP ke question paper jong kan ka Constable GD in CAPF NIA SSF Rifleman GD in ASSAM Rifle Examination 2021 te kane ka deru nam tak tu kiban satho exam kiban nang apply o arja apply markan sami biang te ke bawa tab ye ni kam shipai ke bere jong NIA SSF SSB ITBP terter te ke balat posling ba ka SSC te kidon kaman page igini question paper te kidon kam paper kal kamax kalong sispa mak mo kadon saupan te ka kan thup sispa mak berkadon negative marking te kan mau bhai mempat di komputer mar hap thora komputer te bisa kan mau bha wanam tik lumar hape bha te sa check bha nang ne katno ka question kalong ka bae bat ka balong ka basuk hadu katno te phablon kaman prepare lupa na du banta ada bi ko ban tab igini ki exam shipai. So, part A is General Intelligence and Reasoning. Question number 1. 4 letter cluster have been given out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Select the letter cluster that is different. Object igi letter belong pair nagine. Tehang number 3 YCGL. Mar bhangnel dap ai lupa answer mo. Kini kin 1 by napok ka pihak bil aben yo ban download Kiba ala later exam yo ban download dekane. Question number 2. Select the Venn diagram that best represents the relationship between the following classes: living thing, animal, birds, and dog. The number bakane phaban nang ha practice sampai hana kadur kali number ko answer kali number 1. Baro kini animal, birds, and dog kali living thing ti hap lang ha ka living thing di ba he. Kaju ban. Okay, question number 2 1. Question number 3. Study the given pattern carefully and select the number that can replace the question mark. Just check by the number, correct answer next number 4, grade 22. 7 of N, M, N, P, Q, R are sitting around circular table facing the center of the table. P and R are neighbor of N as sitting on sitting between R, sitting in second of the right before. Can you ban practice? Ka answer grade number 3, M. And number time and explain E ka question paper sa page ma P gibo kwa ban though exam hadu kano kalong ka ba but don't come and prepare. Question number 5. In a certain code language, whole is coded as 164, mob is coded as 132. How will goblet be coded in that language? Kini abde pihak practice kini ro pihak bani compare to the alphabet HLT but no number MOP but no number desa. Check the answer ang negative 4 3 6 6. Select the letter cluster from among the given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. Question and answer number 4 Q M Y. Select the number from above given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. Series mo pihak ban ken la abde plus abde multiply abde kono ma sa ken ma pigane. Correct answer is 3 149. And spini bitang question nganampen ken nganampen a mahangel dap ai lupa gi answer. Question number 8. Read the given statement and conclusion carefully. Pihak pulih saya kata ka statement ka you statement and conclusion desa penihap ka na kamdai tahang na ka number 3 both the conclusion follows. Select the dice that can form by folding the given sheet along the line. Question number 9. Te select hang ne you dice that can form by folding ladang khaliap na une ka dor bla hang te uno ba laban mi na kine ki A B and C. Te hang ne question correct answer 1 both B and C. Ladang khaliap na te kitu baja ke kan no te to B 6 to 1 no dai 6 to 1 ha khong phiang. Okay, select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related from the first letter cluster. Okay, can there have one check number 2 X Z Y I W. Correct answer. The sequence of folding a piece of paper on manner in which the folded paper has been cut is shown in the following figure. How would this paper look when unfolded? The clear yang tiap ni gadur lai teli gadur tesa check mapi ke correct answer la clear terladalang la plate gitu baro ke bade ba correct answer check ang ne ke number 3 baro kidur kilong tu. In a certain code language FILE is written as LIEF and yours is written as UORY. How will mark be written in that language? Correct answer is 3 RAKM. Select the option which the given figures embedded. Quotation is not allowed. The correct answer is number 1. Ladang project penyong no way. Okay, this number 1. Studying code language. How are you sitting as so melo? You are terjadi sitting de lo me and are written as Mikaya. How are they be written in the language? Correct answer is 3, so meka. Select the number among the given option that can replace the question mark in the following series. Series kini given laban practice kini. The correct answer is 355. Amran 4 maupun kenyang ni. Find the number which when number is added to its 15 time number is give 176. Correct answer is 11. Question number 17. 7 workers Alok, Bhushan, Colin, Dinesh, Ishan, Fatima and Gaurav are sitting. Okay, the correct answer is Dinesh. I'll go direct with answer. Number 1, Dinesh. 18. Select the option that is related to the fourth number in the same way as the first number is related to the second number. 7 foot 9 is to 81. Correct answer is number 3, 9. If plus denote multiplication, divide denote subtraction, and minus denotes division, then what is the value of the given expression? Correct answer is 1615. Select the correct option that indicates the arrangement of the given words in the order in which they appear in English dictionary. Correct answer is 4, 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. 5, 3, 4, logic, logotype, loiter. Okay. 5, 3, 4, 1, 2. Answer 4. 21. L has 2 children, is only son of G, who is the father of law of T. It has only son T, the mother of P and Q, not the granddaughter of Indian. Our sibling house T related to Q. 4. Mother. If we have one practice. Select the correct mirror image of the given combination when the mirror is placed its right side. RKMSG5. The correct answer is 4. Question number 3. Select the option that is related to the third word in the same way as the second word is related to the first one. Conceal, reveal, expand. Question mark. Correct answer is 2. Shrink. 24. Select the figure from a given option that replaces the question mark in the following series. Rotation not allowed. Correct answer. Happy itu kedur. Sampai A bahab and have a question mark. The correct answer negeri number 2. Happy itu line away. Hatu do di ben lar yang te. Okay. Dia bilang te. Yes. Correct answer is number 2. Select the combination letter subsequently placed in the blank given series will complete the series. There is a series. So we have checked gitu ki blank ki baca angte sa hapken la yob dek answer ang negeri number 4. ROTPITFIOF. Correct answer is 4. Kenapa karon arsan shipat karon saupat te kin dan code of mark ke part A part B. Nah. Te part C and D don code of mark. Haban tip ha te sa persyang man practice bahama. So part B kedai general knowledge and general awareness. Kan kam AE kan ke exam bani compare ber kam mekhlia police ma. Kan me fair makan kedai jong sentra. The ocean bodies and the sea contain salty water. To the FTP baga umduriau kedai pelong melu. Okay. Correct answer is 3. India wants medal in the the 2021 IBA Youth Men and Women Ball Boxing Championship in Kielce, Poland. 11 medals. This boxing. The question number 1. Answer number 1. 11. In December 2020, Dash became the youngest mayor of the Thiruvananthapuram Municipal Corporation, Arya Rajendran. Who among the following actors served as defamation notice to a YouTuber from Bihar seeking 500 crores in damage for allegedly making false and baseless allegations against him in November 2020? Akshay Kumar. Pit house dug into the ground. The steps leading into them were found at the Bursahom archaeological site. Question number 6. Vedi was a tax collected in the form of forced labor by the Chola rulers. Question answer number 4. What is the maximum cost of a project admissible under the business service sector in the Prime Minister Employment Generation Program PMEGP? Correct answer is 4. 10 lakh. Number 8. Movement of people from one place to another in the country to a foreign country is called migration. Kajang pet jaka nakawai shaka jaka ke angka migration. In November 2019, the NITI Aayog has released a draft model act on land titling. Number 2. 10. The dash mostly used by snake charmers is wind instrument made of 2 small bamboo pipes fixed in a hollow gourd bean. The bean. I don't know what this also. 11. In which income group does India fall in the basis of gross national income classified by the World Bank? Lower middle income group. Oral rehydration solution (ORS) is recommended to a person suffering from diarrhea. Yes, correct. Diarrhea, number 1, diarrhea. 13. In August 2021, Daesh opened the first floating ATM in Srinagar on a house float at Dal Lake, State Bank of India (SBI). According to Section 510 of the Indian Penal Code, the punishment for misconduct in public by a drunken person is punishable with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend by 24 hours or with fine which may extend to 10 or with both. On the basis of which article the Constitution of India is untouchable, abolished in its practice in any form or win. 17. Kan mau general knowledge hane kan top lang politik ru. The highest Indian civilian award Bharat Ratna was instituted in which of the following years? 1954. 16. Which of the following is a planet outside our solar system that usually orbits another star in our galaxy? Exoplanet. In which of the following battles did the East India Company take over Mysore? Siege of Seringapatam. To which of the following state does the Kwah folk dance belong? Mizoram. Kwah folk dance belong to the Mizoram. Which of the following term is not used in lawn tennis? Scoops. Scoop is not used in lawn tennis. Okay. Question number 21. Which of the following is made into the playoff IPL 2020? Mumbai Indians, Sunrise Hyderabad, Royal Challengers Bangalore, Delhi Capital. IPL ranking. On which of the following dates is World AIDS Day observed? 1st December. World AIDS Day. Okay, that's one good. Siraj Uch Dala succeeded as the Nawab of Bengal in 1756. Ali Wardi Khan. The river Dash and Tapti flow almost parallel to each other but empty themselves in opposite direction. Narmada. The Statue of Peace, the state of Daesh, unveiled video conferencing with Prime Minister Narendra Modi in November 2020, Rajasthan. Okay, do adapt 25. The one that's like a C, but C elementary mathematics. Question number 1. The boys and girls in the school and the ratio of 75 is 60 to boys as 40% the girl and age 14 below. Okay, the correct answer is 1800. Which should be the correct answer. Question number 2. A sum of 8,400 is divided between A and B such that A and B and N of 2 years is equal to. Correct answer is 4,400. Number 3. Question number 3. A spherical ball of radius immersed in water containing vertical cylinder of radius assuming the water. What is the rise of water level? Formula. Correct answer is 1.44. Question number 4. Ram bought an article of 6,800 and spent 700 on its repair. He marked his article at 8% above overall cost price. Cost price and discount. Correct answer is 15. The income of A and B and the ratio of age is 11, the ratio of the saving is 7:9. Kamjuat he kijing kelita. Correct answer is number 1, 44,000. Two numbers and the ratio of 2 is 3. Product LCM HCF is 735. The difference between the two numbers is okay. Ini de costan ini 35. Siap kon mau ke formula jangan dengan LCM HCF. So I should divide direct and then minus get answer. Question number 7. The sum and different LCM HCF two positive number 148, 140 respectively. One number is 16 and other number is 36. Now question number 10. Question number A and B are complete works 12 days and 18 days respectively. Work together 14 days. B while C remaining was from A and C in the next. How many will C alone complete 1/3 of the same work? Correct answer is 12 days. Kenerangat police, Mikla police. So Reshma has invested 40% more than Reshma. Reshma has invested 30% less than Divya. Correct answer is 5,880. Okay, the values. Kinero class 10. The values of dash divide of dash. Dash. Okay, Kenya 29/40. Correct answer. A trader earns a profit of 20% by selling an article after giving a discount of 20% of the mark price of the article. The cost of the article is 448 and mark price is 672. Correct answer. Sum of the length and breadth and the height of cuboid is 18 cm. If the length of its diagonal is 13 cm, then the surface area of the cuboid is 155 cm square. The pass percentage in examination is 35% of the total mark. Student scored 90 mark and was declared failed by 6 by total mark of the examination must be 1300. What sum of money at compound interest will amount 30,501 in 3 years if the rate of interest is 5% for the first year? Okay, correct answer 125,000. Class 10 has 5 sections which has 40, 50, 50, 60 and 60 students respectively. Okay, correct answer is 70.38%. Cost price of 2 articles in the ratio of 4:5. Okay, correct answer is 2,700. Number 4. So check here, sa police akhanya. I sold an article of to B at 24% profit, B sold to C at 30% profit. If B profit was 22.62, more than half of it, then how much did B pay for it? 682. Should have gained 30% by selling an article for 91. If she sell it for 78, then what it will be the percentage loss gain? Gain percentage is 12.5%. 12.5%. 19. When the speed of a car increases 25%, it takes 24 minutes to less to cover the same distance. What's the time taken to cover the same distance? The actual speed. Speed in distance can be formula. Okay, question is correct answer is 2. At 20 hours and 2 minutes to cover a range distance speed of 50 km. Okay, can you speed in distance here? Correct answer is 8. 21. The average wage of 5% increased by 2.5 or a new percent come in place of one them waging 38. The wage of new percent is average narrow 52. Correct answer 52. Have Kenya average anang. Find the compound interest on 20,000 at 9% per annum for 1 year and 4 months compound annually compound interest. Can you write the formula for 2,454. 23. The average score of 19 students. Okay, is average. Correct answer is 273.5. Okay, can I find the value of 36 divided 18 of 3 into 2 plus 8 3 into. Okay, it's 51 by 3. 25. Pipe A and B fill a tank 12 hours and 18 hours respectively, whereas pipe C can empty the full tank in 8 hours. Correct answer is 5. Number 4 is 5. Part D English. Last. Come on, 25. Jalan. His part mark. Take a pass mark. Kasyong kum kisnem. Tuma pidi bende bej. Arpo mark shaneng. La bende arpoi. La bende arpar. La bende arplay. Kum tahi. Kasyong kum ki snem. Select the most appropriate option to fill the blank. Giant pandas are black and white. Chinese bear that are on the verge of extinction. Most appropriate. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Health cannot be neglected at any cost. Select the option that can use one word substituted a given word of group, causing a mood of gloom and depression, dismal. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Yach. As we are all aware, silk is dedicated from the cocoon of mulberry silkworm. Derive. Select the most appropriate synonym. Given word disgust, dislike. Synonym with sim. Okay, disgust, dislike. Select the appropriate antonym of the given word. Antonym of different. Overlook, notice. Select the option that can be used as a one word substituted given group of words. A hole or tunnel dug by a small animal to live in. Burrow. Select the appropriate that can be substituted underline. The 3 friends spend over an hour discussing the problem with their teacher. No substitution required. Select the incorrectly spelled word. Writing. It should be 1T. Okay, so 3 is the correct answer. The following sentence has been split into 4 segments. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. Why do they keep talking on about money all the time? Keep talking on. 12. Select the most appropriate that can be substituted underline. I played football yesterday. Select the most appropriate meaning of the word idiom in a fixed, in a difficult situation. Science of heredity. Genetics. One word substitution. Antonym. Ally is an enemy. The following split into segment. Grammatical error. Raju was a little boy who were born in a poor family. Grammatical error. Most appropriate synonym. Cross, shell. How many do most children in India known? grammatical error. Idiom open-ended mean having no plan ending. Mdon jengkut baik. Close ending mut close ended mut ba kalau jengkut. Kena mdon plan bahkan kut mdon kat ba pikwa ban kut. 20. He was fined for violating traffic rules. Fill in the blank. Comprehension. Okay, you can read this one. Question number 21. Kidon to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ya pulih kena comprehension sependap ang tay kini baru. Select the most appropriate option to fill in blank number 1. Never throw anything out. You never know when it comes in. When it might come in handy. Do this handy. His bedroom was totally cluttered with bicycle tires, empty boxes, deflated basketball, unbent tennis racket. 5. Barely leaving any space to get in the door. Okay, only that only. Datang kat nehi kidon sispa tali question. Absen mark, saupat absen mark. Sedangkan mau bah ban penkre itu bakwa akan apply kan kam shipai pada jong ke SSC te ki jengkeli ki wan kumne apply bah bat akan mau ke portfolio exam day ban choose klumar ane ban tik kat ba pimon nomor bakaran negative marking te la pila tik klumar pila pande baru ru sha minus pi minus ban te da check bah akan mau ka part A part B te ban le bah nomor ba kitu kidon code of mark te ngatrai kala arab kitu ki buron kam kan mau kapus yang kini kan don biang hus name arjar fly dengan sepentip yaki tarik kiba sa lara kan penmik pus tang kini hi